Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us a budget gaming true wireless earphones from Petron, and they are the Petron Bass Buds Jade. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you how they perform. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product along with the model name Bass Buds Jade, and they are the gaming true wireless earbuds. At the back we have some key features such as 13mm driver, 40 hours of playback time, 40 mAh battery in the earbuds and 400 mAh battery in the case. And here we can see they are IPX4 water resistant and come with low latency mode. The MRP of these gaming TWS earbuds is Rs 3699. However, they are available to purchase for just Rs 1499 on Amazon. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we get this barcode card which you can scan to get the user manual, and then below it we have the charging case and the earbuds. Looking at the case, we have the edgy design with the LED lights on the top, and here we have the earbuds. We will look at the earbuds and the charging case in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the Type-C charging cable and 2 pairs of extra ear tips of large and small size. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the charging case and the earbuds closely. Petron Bass Buds Jade are the gaming true wireless earbuds, and looking at the charging case first, you get this edgy design which looks pretty good. The build quality of this charging case is also good, keeping in mind that these earphones cost only 1500 rupees. In terms of the overview, in the front we have the Petron branding and the 2 LED lights which turn green when the earbuds are charging inside the case. At the back we have the Type-C charging port, and at the bottom we have the charging case battery details. Now let's look at the earbuds. So here we have the in-ear style earbuds, and we also have the green LED light on both the earbuds which blink intermittently when they're connected to a device. The build quality is also very good, and overall I find the design and look and feel of these earbuds pretty good. In terms of the technical details, we have a 13mm driver in these earbuds. They're IPX4 water resistant and come with a dedicated gaming mode. Now let's pair them with our phone for the first time. So for pairing, you just need to open the case and they will be ready to pair with your phone. So they are paired with our phone and ready to use. Now let me quickly show you different touch controls. So a single tap on either of the earbud will pause and play music. Triple tap on either earbud will take you to the next song, and double tap will take you back to the previous song. Long press on the touch sensitive area for 2 seconds on the left earbud will enable Google Assistant or Siri. And for the gaming mode, tap 4 times quickly on either of the earbuds to switch between different modes. By default, you will be in the music mode. We will talk about the performance in these modes in a moment. Now in terms of the audio quality, I've been using these earbuds for a few days, and guys, I find the audio output from these earbuds really good. And to be honest, they are the best sounding earbuds I have tested this year under Rs 1500. The bass is pretty good and the clarity is amazing. They are also very loud but no distortion in the sound. Overall for music, you will love the output of these earbuds. I've also used them for watching videos on YouTube and Netflix, and there also I find the clarity for dialogues from these earbuds very good. Now about the gaming mode, guys, I have played BGMI using these earbuds, and in the gaming mode you get low latency, which is somewhere around 60 milliseconds. And during our testing, we noticed that the latency in the normal mode is around 120 milliseconds, and in the gaming mode it's around 60 to 70 milliseconds, which is also pretty good. And while gaming, you get good sound output and you can hear the footsteps clearly as well as judge the direction. Overall for gaming, full marks to these earbuds, and again, in this pricing, they're just value for money. Now lastly about the battery and the mic performance. The battery backup of these earphones is good, and you can easily get 5 to 6 hours of playback time in the music mode. And with the case, it's around 40 hours. The mic performance is decent for calling as well as for the in-game voice chat, but during voice and video calls, the other person on the call will hear some echo, which is as expected from these earbuds. So to sum it up, the Petron Bass Buds Jade TWS earphones are the best gaming true wireless earbuds under Rs 1500. We found the audio quality for music and movies very good, and with the low latency, you'll enjoy the gaming experience from these earphones. And look wise, they are well built, and with the green LED lights and this edgy design, you get a good look and feel. So if you're in the market for a budget true wireless gaming earbuds, then we highly recommend you to check out the Bass Buds Jade. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Petron Bass Buds Jade Gaming True Wireless Earbuds. Let us know if you like them And also, if you have any queries or questions about these earbuds, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.